Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. As you all know, all we do here is to make reviews and teach you ways of making money online using cryptocurrency arbitrage, sports betting arbitrage, cross exchange arbitrage, and various other ways of making money online. So if this is what you're interested in, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we upload more videos like this. And for those of you that are still interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of this video. And today, we spotted this cross exchange arbitrage opportunity in which we'll be making use of these two exchanges that I'm showing you guys today. Yes, these two exchanges I'm showing you guys today, Bitmart and KuCoin. Bitmart and KuCoin. So guys, on Bitmart, we spotted this token, BTR/USDT. BTR/USDT. This token is being sold here on 0.02681 here on Bitmart. And then we move over to KuCoin. So guys, as you can see here on KuCoin, BTR/USDT is being sold here on 0.02686 here on KuCoin. Yes, 0.02686 here on KuCoin. So guys, as someone that knows more about arbitrage, or if you know anything about arbitrage, you should know that there is a huge price difference in these two exchanges. Meanwhile, all you have to do is check the liquidity on both sides. For those of you that says that arbitrage doesn't work, arbitrage really works. Your life can even change with arbitrage depending on the capital you are using. I will say this again, depending on the capital you are using, as we are going to keep posting videos every day to make sure you make money on a daily basis. Like I usually tell you guys that I'm not a financial advisor, I only create educational content. You make your own research and know where you dive into in these arbitrage opportunities. For those of you that are still interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you once we upload more videos like this, so that you'll be the first to watch this video. It is very, very important, guys.